What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my Lifeyt. Today we are showing you a few little things I had to do to keep those chains on Goliath, and then we're going to take it for a speed run and a little ride around the yard. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it. Alright guys, welcome back to the show. So I'm just going to go over the few little things that we did. First thing is the engine is no longer on rubber mounts. Those rubber mounts were flexing too much, and it was putting stress on this chain that's going from the torque converter back to the jack shaft here. Also, this sprocket here, I took the grinder to it. I actually moved it out here on the end of the shaft. Took the grinder to it, ground it down so I could get this sprocket over farther. Line these chains up so that the chain doesn't come off. So that brings us to what we're doing today. That's basically it for today in here, guys. I'm not going to show you any work on it. I just got that fixed up, and we're going to take it for a ride. We're going to take it out down the road, get a top speed test, and then we're just going to play in the yard a little bit, go around a couple times, and make sure the chains stay on so that we can work on this and get it tore down and painted. So. Alright, so the chain came off again, guys. I don't know if you can hear me up there. This chain's all womped out now because of the last couple times, so I think it's because of that. The starter switch isn't working right. Are you still videoing? You can keep it running usually when I do that. I can edit it out. I gotta get that screwdriver. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Like you could tell, the chain did fall off once. The chain shot, so I wasn't surprised there. Looking at about 25 miles an hour was my top speed. I put an app on my phone and ran that at 25 miles an hour. It does have a little dead spot in that carburetor. I believe that's probably because it was set up for a generator. It was actually at high idle all the time, so that like from low idle up to high idle, there's kind of a dead spot there. I'm either going to have to rejet that or probably put a different carburetor on there. I'm not real sure yet. But I'm going to get this thing ready. I'm going to tear it down for paint. There's a few little brackets that I got to put on, but for the most part it's done. I do have to get a gas cap, a few other things, but you know, nothing major. Everything fabrication wise is pretty much done, so we're going to tear it down, get it ready for paint. I'm actually going to see if I can get it powder coated, but that's it for this one. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications, and don't be afraid to leave us a comment. We will see you in the next one, guys.